Welcome to Valley Medical Group.
Can I have you come right in here?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
We have been providing comprehensive and convenient primary and specialty care to the residents of the Pioneer Valley in Western Massachusetts for more than 25 years. With locations in Amherst, Northampton, East Hampton, and Greenfield, we are a community-based group practice caring for children and adults with services you're likely to need, such as radiology, laboratory, physical therapy, behavioral health, and other services right in our health centers. We pride ourselves on caring for our community. Our team-based care approach allows practitioners and patients to communicate directly, providing the undivided attention and time necessary to listen to what's important to you and your health. We believe in using the latest clinical guidelines to inform our care, and believe in technology such as appropriate testing, comprehensive electronic medical records, and our patient portal to provide you with excellent patient-centered care. We are focused on primary care and prevention, helping you stay healthy. If you already have a condition, we're going to help you manage it. Our staff takes pride in serving adults, adolescents, and children courteously and respectfully. Valley Medical Group. Convenient, compassionate, patient-centered care.